Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to integrate Claude with Zerodha trading setup. So I'll start with the first one, which is to open Kite and click Connect API. So you just have to log in to kite.zerodha.com and then open the apps menu. Now from here, just click on the blue Connect API button to enter the developer console. Next up is create a new app and save keys. So click on create new app and then you can name it Cloud Trading Bot and then set a redirect URL. Then copy your API key and API secret to a safe place. Next step is wire up your Python with Kite Connect plus Anthropic. So in VS Code, you can run the pip install Kite Connect Anthropic, then write a script that pulls a reliance chart and sends it to the cloud for analysis. Next up is read Cloud's buy and sell signal. So Cloud returns a structured signal like buy TCX rather. And then for the confidence, you can put there 87% along with reasoning bullets that you can display next to the chart. Lastly is place a real order through Kite. So call kite.place underscore order with Cloud signal, and then Kite returns an order placed confirmation and your portfolio P&L updates instantly. Now, just a pro tip, you can always set a stop loss in the same place order call. So you can never trust an AI signal with naked risk. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!